I'm in Italy with UTracks and we'll be walking along a path known as the Via Francigena, the Italian Camino, an ancient pilgrim's trail that winds its way from the mountains of northern Italy through the spectacular scenery and fairy tale villages of Tuscany into Lazio and all the way to Rome. UTracks offer a variety of walking and cycling trips along different stages of the 955-kilometre Italian Camino, from the St. Bernard Pass to Rome, and ranging from 6 to 50 days, walking an average of 18 to 22 kilometres per day. The official beginning of the Via Francigena is in Canterbury, England, and covers a whopping 1,900 kilometres to Rome. Being first documented by the Archbishop of Canterbury, Sigeric the Serious, in 990 AD, now over 1,000 years later, pilgrims are still following this magnificent trail.
The rolling hills and the vistas are uncomparable with the cypress trees and the vineyards and olive groves. So, yeah.
It's the history. It's the castles on top of the mountaintops.
Yeah, it's breathtaking. You say that like that?
Yeah.
I love the concept of just getting up each morning and just having nothing else to do for the day other than to get to your next destination. I think it's really like a walking meditation.
And if you ever want an explanation why I love walking so much, this is why. The most popular sections of the Via Francigena are best of Tuscany from San Miniato in the north to Buonconvento south of Siena. Or to receive your testimonium, the last 100 kilometres of the trail must be walked on foot from Acquapendente to Rome. For cyclists, the final 200 kilometres must be ridden, which is achieved from Siena to Rome. Booking with UTracks gives you the freedom of independent, self-guided travel with the ease and comfort of an organised holiday. A hearty breakfast will get you moving each morning, and a delicious dinner based on regional produce is included some nights. I'm a locavore. I love to eat local food, especially when I'm traveling, and Italy truly is a locavore's paradise. Every single village, every town, every region has its own specialities.
It's absolutely amazing, and the wine is, oh, very good.
With UTracks, your luggage will be transferred from hotel to hotel, so all you need to take on the trail is your bare essentials, leaving you light on your feet and free to completely immerse yourself in the experience.
For me, it's staying physically active while we're doing something on vacation.
You're not on a tour bus and on a highway. You're walking amongst the little villages and our stops at the little towns. You get to meet the local people.
Well, we would compare it to the various Caminos we've done, and this is totally different. It's a much quieter. I would argue scenically the best.
UTracks will also provide you with maps, information and an app to guide you through, though the trails are well signposted.
The trail is very well marked here in Italy.
But if we were following the route book, then everything made sense. It made the walking really easy.
Yeah.
The best part of all has to be the private room waiting for you at the end of each day. Accommodation is hand-picked to accentuate your experience. It is always private, clean and incredibly comfortable.
Yeah, the accommodations have been really nice, like beautiful old stone buildings, and sometimes in the middle of town and sometimes a little further out in the countryside. So it's actually quite a nice mixture, I think.
Staying in a place like this, I mean, it's like a fairy tale, huh?
Whether it is walking into an ancient Roman amphitheatre or a stone-carved church that dates back to 600 years BC, a beautiful marble cathedral, or walking through the walls of a medieval village that has changed very little in centuries, this trail is in many ways like walking through the pages of a history book. And as the grandest finale of all, walking into the eternal city of Rome, entering St. Peter's Basilica after such an epic journey on foot is a feeling that will stay with you forever.